Attitude is a mental filter through which you experience the world. The person with negative attitude thinks I can't. The person with positive attitude thinks I can. The person with negative attitude dwells on problems. The person with positive attitude concentrates on solutions. The person with negative attitude finds fault in others. The person with positive attitude looks for good in others. The person with negative attitude sees limitations. The person with positive attitude sees possibilities. Attitude is everything. Attitude is a mental filter through which you experience the world.